Today we'll be doing question number 10. So in question number 10 it has been said that there are 8 rooms on the first floor of a hotel with 4 rooms on each side of the corridor symmetrically situated. That is, each room is exactly opposite to one another room. Now 4 guests have to be accommodated in 4 of the 8 rooms, that is 1 in each, okay, such that no 2 guests are in adjacent rooms or in opposite rooms. So in how many ways can the guests be accommodated? So basically we have a corridor. So this is the corridor over here, okay, and then we have 4 rooms. There's room 1, room 2, room 2, room 3, room 4, okay, and then we have opposite rooms over here, room 5, room 6, room 7, room 8. So these are the rooms. So now suppose one guest is kept over here, so the second guest cannot be kept in this room and cannot be kept in this room, but can be kept in this room. So the next guest cannot be kept in this room, guest already is not possible, so here also guest cannot be set. We can put one guest over here. Then the adjacent room cannot be taken up by any other guest, so the only room that is left for the 4th guest is this over here. So as you can see, therefore required number of ways is basically equal to so as you can see over here, there are 4 rooms available for the guests. So these 4 rooms can be taken up by the 4 guests in 4 factorial ways, and this entire arrangement can also arrange among themselves in 2 ways. So we have 2 into 4 factorial, so this will be 2 into 4 into 3 into 2, which is ultimately equal to 8 into 6, and which is equal to 48, and 48 is the final answer over here. So this is the answer. We'll be solving the next question in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.